If your dinner time lineup could use a little extra flair, I've got a Tex-Mex chicken recipe just for you. Today in the Anthony Kitchen, we are making baked ranchero chicken. This recipe comes together really quick and really easy, and it is really delicious. Here I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just patting them dry with a paper towel because I'm gonna drizzle them with oil and then season them with taco seasoning, and I want that seasoning to stay nice and adhered. The next thing I'm gonna do is drizzle the chicken breasts with oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, really whatever you have on hand, it's totally fine. Then I'm gonna season each chicken breast with a little bit of taco seasoning. Now I'm using my Anthony Kitchen homemade taco seasoning. If you want that recipe, it's ready for the taking at theanthonykitchen.com, but of course you could just use a store-bought packet of taco seasoning as well. Now for the next part of the recipe, we're gonna move it over to the stovetop. Here's what we're gonna do. Get a large pan going over medium-high heat. Once that pan comes to temperature, you're gonna give it a generous drizzle of oil. About 1 to 2 tablespoons will do. Then you'll add your chicken breasts. Take care not to crowd the pan. And what we're gonna do to these chicken breasts is give them a really good sear on both sides. It's gonna lock in that seasoning and that flavor. Okay guys, we're about halfway there. The chicken looks amazing, smells even better, and now it's time to assemble our casserole dish. So the first thing I'm gonna do is ladle some ranchero sauce into a baking dish. We just made this ranchero sauce at the Anthony Kitchen's YouTube channel. If you've not seen that recipe yet, be sure to check it out. It's really easy and really quick. And I highly advise you make your own. Takes less than 20 minutes and it is so much better than anything you could get out of a can. So we've got a nice generous layer here on the bottom. Now I'm just going to add my chicken to the baking dish, make room for everybody. Set the chicken aside just for a sec. Bring this Monterey Jack center stage. Get out my handy dandy microplane grater, and I'm just gonna grate the cheese and probably use up almost this entire block. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of cheese over the chicken. Hit it with 1 more little spoonful of the ranchero sauce. Okay, and then more cheese. Top it with a sheet of aluminum foil and pop it in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, let me tell you my favorite way to eat this dish. You'll need some tortillas. You can use flour or corn. You'll wanna have some fresh cilantro. I've just taken the leaves off and I'm gonna give it a good rough chop. If you like it spicy, some fresh jalapeno. I'm just gonna cut this into really thin little slices. This is good on the jalapenos. And now we'll slice into that avocado. I always cut my avocado into quarters and then peel off that outer layer, okay? Just cut it into slices. Now we'll give it just a rough chop. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. Now all that's left is to wait on that chicken to finish cooking. All right, y'all, check it out. That is bubbly, cheesy chicken deliciousness right here. We're gonna just top it off with a sprinkle of cilantro. Now you got 2 options. You can eat it as is, just like this, rice and beans on the plate, dinner is done. Or you can wrap it up in a tortilla and have yourself a ranchero chicken taco. I hope that you and your family will enjoy this Tex-Mex chicken dinner as much as we do at our house. If y'all are going to make this recipe, I want to hear all about it in the comments below. And for more Texas-inspired recipes, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Anthony Kitchen. And for the written recipe, you can check it out at theanthonykitchen.com. Just type in Ranchero Chicken into the search bar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.